Imagine if humans could control the future of evolution, not just for ourselves, but for every species on Earth. What if we could choose which traits to enhance, eliminate diseases at the genetic level, or even design new species to solve global problems like climate change or food scarcity? This isn't as far from reality as it seems. Advances in genetic engineering, CRISPR technology, and synthetic biology are making it possible to manipulate DNA in ways we never thought imaginable. But what would happen if we took control of evolution itself? What would be the benefits and the potential dangers? Let's dive into the possibilities and consequences of human-directed evolution. Human-directed evolution would rely heavily on technologies like gene editing and synthetic biology. With tools like CRISPR, scientists can already edit genes with precision, removing harmful traits and introducing beneficial ones. Right now, we're using this technology to fight genetic diseases, create more resilient crops, and even experiment with bioenhanced animals. But what if we went further? One of the most immediate benefits of controlling evolution would be the elimination of genetic diseases. Imagine a world where conditions like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease are eradicated at birth through genetic editing. We could live longer, healthier lives without the fear of inheriting or passing on these illnesses. It's a future where human suffering could be greatly reduced, but there are ethical questions we'd need to face. Would everyone have access to these life-altering technologies, or would genetic editing be available only to the wealthy? Could this lead to a new era of inequality, where the genetically enhanced thrive, while others are left behind? Let's take it a step further. If we could control evolution, it wouldn't just be about eliminating disease. We'd have the ability to design humans from the ground up. Parents could choose their child's height, intelligence, athletic ability, or even personality traits. This might sound appealing to some, but it opens the door to a whole new set of moral dilemmas. Would we lose our sense of individuality if everyone could choose to have perfect traits? Could this lead to a society where diversity is diminished and conformity is prized above all else? And what would happen if certain traits became more valued than others? We might create a world where only a specific type of human is considered ideal. Controlling animal evolution. Beyond humans, we could also direct the evolution of animals. Imagine designing super species that can solve some of our most pressing environmental problems. We could create animals that absorb more CO2 from the atmosphere or bioengineered species to rebuild dying ecosystems. Genetically engineered livestock could provide more food with fewer resources, helping to address global hunger. But at what cost? Tampering with natural evolution could have unintended consequences. Could these bioengineered species upset delicate ecosystems, leading to unforeseen disasters? Would we risk wiping out natural biodiversity in favor of engineered efficiency? Reversing extinction. Controlling evolution also brings the tantalizing possibility of de-extinction. Species that have gone extinct, like the woolly mammoth or the dodo bird, could be brought back to life through genetic manipulation. Scientists are already working on projects to resurrect these ancient species, but it raises questions about the role of humans in playing God with nature. If we could bring back extinct animals, should we? And would they fit into the modern world, or would they simply be relics from a past era, unable to thrive in today's ecosystems? A new evolutionary era. If humans could control evolution, we'd be entering a new evolutionary era, one where nature's rules are rewritten and we become the architects of life on Earth. It could lead to incredible advances in medicine, environmental conservation, and human potential. But it also brings immense ethical, social, and environmental challenges. Are we ready to take control of something as complex and unpredictable as evolution? What responsibilities come with that power? And can we manage the consequences of redesigning life itself? Conclusion. Controlling evolution could transform the future of humanity and the planet. From curing diseases to designing new species, the possibilities are endless. But with great power comes great responsibility. The question is, should we take control of evolution, Or is nature something too vast and intricate to be directed by human hands? What do you think? Should we take control of our evolutionary future, or are we crossing a line that shouldn't be touched? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.